Hi, it's Amy with Amy's Mix of Creativity. I'm here with a Valentine's project. I'm going to make a little card using a washi tape heart like this one that I've already made. And I'm going to be using these washi tapes. They're some that I got off the internet. Very cute, very pretty, but also, you know, with the goals in there, that it could be a masculine card too, which I'm going to make this for my husband in honor of my mother, who recently passed away. That's one of the reasons I've been not able to post any videos lately, but I am back and I'm trying to catch up with some videos, and so stick with me so I can show you how to make this really cute heart with washi tape. Okay, so this project only needs some paper, so I would use a piece of cardstock, 4 by, or measures an A2 card, so it'd be 5.5 by 4.25. Okay, and I'm going to use some. This is a little bit of a construction paper. It's actually foam, a little bit of foam, just to make the heart on the card, which I just have a plain white piece of paper, but you can use any color card you want. This will then help, the foam will help pop up the heart on the card. Okay, so to get started, it's very easy. All you really need to do is, if you have a use your piece of paper, fold it in half. You're just gonna make a heart like you would when you were like a little kid. I'm just going to use a piece of paper with a pencil, draw a shape like a heart. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut it with my scissors. The reason I'm doing it this way is because I just want to make it really quick and easy. Right, real nice simple card. A lot going on in my life right now, so I don't have much time to make a really fancy card. So I'm just going to make a real nice simple one. Okay, and if you want to make it a little chunkier, just cut it as best you can. Okay. I'd like my heart to be a little deeper, so I'm going to make this cut right here a little deeper. Okay, easy enough. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put the washi tape, and you can just pick any washi tapes you like. These washi tapes are, very pretty with the gold foil. I really like them. I'm going to just take out a couple and start using them. Put some down. Now, I like to go diagonal when I make this type of card. It's always hard to sometimes, lift up the tape. But once you find the edge, it's not that hard. I'm sorry, I'm having trouble finding that edge. So I'm just going to pick another one. Okay, here's the one. Okay, so I like to, when I make make anything with washi tape or strips of paper, I like to do it at on a diagonal. Okay, and you can go overlap so that you're on the paper you're using, or whatever the backing you're using. I'd use my glass mat if I had it available right now, but I don't have it available. Okay, and then so you get another piece. Some people like to put a little space between the washi tape. I like to make it right up against the other piece. Have it be right, tight and adjacent to each other. Another trick you can do is, some of these are really tight in there. Another trick that you can do is put a space and then maybe and have it be sticky, and you could glitter in between or put little strips in. I have some little strips here like this one. See if I can get it off easily. Yeah, there we go. So I'll just put it right in the middle there. Really cute little strip. Now, as you're doing this, just, you know, smooth it down. Sometimes it will come up. Here now I have some over here on the side I haven't used yet. You get the drift on how to do this. It's pretty simple, but I just wanted to come on and show that you can make some cards with some very easy. Oh, my washi tape, this one's getting a little bit tacky. Gotta put it aside. Okay, got a piece coming up. So you can make the washi tape be as, oh, that one's got a little bit of, I'll use another one for the middle there. Now, you know, these are a little bit hard to peel off at some point. Some washi tape's very easy, some is a little harder to deal with. I was using this before, I was having no problem at all with it, so I think it just got a little sticky, a little harder to use, but it's not usually hard like this. I'm just having a little bit more trouble than I would normally. So anyway, thanks for joining me. I obviously I'm having a little bit of trouble today. I'm having a hard time getting this video up, but I'm hoping this won't be the case in the future with other videos. I'm gonna try to get back on track. It was a hard couple of weeks with my mom sick in the hospital, and you know, and then she didn't make it, but she was sick for a while, so it was a hard time, but we did know that, you know, she was going to be with us much longer, so, and I do miss her very much. She was very close to me. We had, you know, the past couple of years have been hard because she had dementia, but she was still my mom, and I loved her very much, you know. So, all right, I'm gonna pick this up very gently off the paper, the backing. Now, if it sticks too much, you know, it's okay that it pulls the washi tape up with it, because you're gonna cut that. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on the back. Where did I put my, okay, I've got my foam here, which I'm going to put on the backy here so that it will pop up and I'll be able to cut it off. Okay, now just so you know, you want to cut it first so you know where you're cutting. So cut off the washi tape strips around the edges of your, hopefully I'm still in the view of the camera. If it gets sticky, it's good to use scissors that have yeah, that don't stick to paper, to sticky paper. These are just some regular scissors that I have in my kitchen. Not my kitchen, but my craft room. They're probably not the best ones. But you know what? Again, like I said, this is a quick, easy project. Doing it fast, trying to get it done. My husband's going to come home from work. I'd like to give him a little bit of a cute little card. And he'll like it, no matter what it looks like. He's that type of person. He likes whatever I do for him. He likes my creativity. Okay, so now this is the foam. I mean, you can cut it without taking the backing off. I'm going to take off the backing. There's foam, you know, you could actually you could do it so that the backing, you could glue on one side if it's not double-sided foam. See, there's the heart. Or you could put it on the side. I'm going to put it on the sticky side of the foam. And then I will just, I'm going to cut that. And then I will just use a tape runner or glue to attach it to the card. Okay, so this gets a little trickier because now now I'm doing it again. Obviously, I'm cutting into stickiness. And, you know, it may be a little tricky to do it a certain way. I can't cut very well. This is one of the reasons I became a die cutter. Like, I love to die cut. And if you have a die cutting machine, you know, definitely use your die cutting machine. Use a heart that you make with your die cutting machine. Might work out even better than, you know, I'm sure it would work out better than this, because this is getting hard for me to even cut it. Especially my hands are kind of got a little bit of arthritis and my hands are hurting a little bit right now. It's really cold outside. We had a big snowstorm yesterday. It's nice now. There's not that much. I mean, the snow looks fine now, but okay, there we go. Now, if you want to trim the, I'm all sticky on the scissors. If you want to trim the heart a little bit more, if there's a piece that looks a little weird, now you can cut it, make it a little smoother. Okay, and there you go, a washi heart. Now, I'm just going to put it on a plain piece of paper to make a card, but you could make it any way you want. Put a backing on it, put a piece of you know, color paper so it will stand out a little bit more. I'm just gonna have it be basic. It's just a, you know, very simple card that I'm gonna make for my husband and say Happy Valentine's Day inside. And that's that. Again, you know, very simple, easy craft. Washi tape is so much fun. Find some washi tape, get some. You can get it anywhere. They sell it any craft stores, any place that they have any kind of like paper crafts. And it's lots of fun. And use it up. Use up your scraps, use up your washi tape, use up anything you have to make things, you know, special and unique, and everybody will be like, ooh, how did you do that? And they'll love it. So please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna start making more videos, and hopefully I won't be as, you know, out of it as I am right now. But I wanted to get this on for today, for Happy Valentine's Day. So I hope you all have a good evening and have a fun Valentine's Day with whoever you're with or with your family, and enjoy. Thank you. Bye.